If your house burned down tomorrow, would your insurance cover the cost to rebuild it? Not sell it, rebuild it. Those are two very different numbers, and most homeowners don't realize that until it's too late. Hey everyone, Christy Beasley here with Trailstone Insurance Group. This is part of our Homeowner Insurance Basics Series, where we break down each piece of your homeowner's policy so you actually understand what you're paying for. Today, we're starting with Coverage A, also called dwelling coverage or rebuilding cost. Coverage A is the part of your homeowner's policy that pays to repair or rebuild the physical structure of your home after a covered event, like a fire, a windstorm, or hail. What it includes your walls, roof, foundation, and attached structures like a garage or deck. Here is the part that matters most. Coverage A is based on the cost to rebuild your home, not what it would sell for on the market. Those two numbers can be very different. Market value includes things insurance doesn't cover: the land, the neighborhood, the school district, even the view. Rebuilding cost is strictly about materials and labor to reconstruct the structure. So how do insurance companies come up with that number? They use something called a Replacement Cost Estimator, or RCE for short. It factors in your home's age, location, square footage, design, quality of finishes, and hundreds of other details. Then it calculates what it would cost to rebuild based on current material, labor prices in your area. One more thing worth knowing. Many policies offer an inflation guard endorsement that automatically adjusts your Coverage A limit over time to keep pace with rising construction costs. It is a small addition that can make a big difference down the road. If you are not sure your Coverage A reflects what it would actually cost to rebuild today, we can help. Visit trailstone.com or give us a call for a complimentary review. And up next in this series is, what is other structures coverage? We will see you in that one.